Gearwrench changes the game on torque applications with the 120 XP Micrometer torque wrench. The revolutionary 120 XP head ratchets 3 degrees. That's 120 clicks in a full rotation. Small moves, big results. The signature low-profile design gets in where other wrenches can't. Now, access in tight spaces is practically unlimited. The 120 XP is tested and certified to hit the mark every time. The high-definition scale makes calibration fast and easy to read. Like all Gearwrench tools, this wrench is made to take it on. The all-steel shaft and head gives strength to crank down hard, while the aluminum knurled handle and beveled end keep your grip secure. On the go or in the shop, the 120 XP stays protected and organized in a rugged custom-molded case with removable lid.